Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we'll be replacing the battery in a 2011 17-inch MacBook Pro. We've already gathered our materials, shut down the MacBook Pro, and placed it on a soft static-free work surface. We are now ready to begin. The first step is to close the MacBook Pro and flip it over. On the bottom are 10 Phillips screws. The 3 in the upper right are longer than the others, so remove those first. You can now remove the remaining 7 screws, which are all the same size. When lifting the cover off, there'll be some snaps holding it in, so you may have to gently pull a bit to free them. Once inside, the first thing you'll want to do is to detach the battery connector by lifting it straight up and out of its connector on the logic board. Next, remove the 3 tri-lobe screws that hold the battery in place. Peel the black label back from the chassis slightly, and you should be able to lift the battery up and out of the MacBook Pro. Set the new battery into the bay, making sure that the notches in the bottom end line up with the tabs in the MacBook Pro. Replace the 3 tri-lobe screws, then reattach the battery by lining up the connector and pushing it into its socket. You can now set the bottom cover back into place and gently push down on it to re-engage the snaps. Finally, replace the longer 3 screws in the upper right. Then, replace the remaining 7 screws. Your MacBook Pro is now ready to charge and use.